Good afternoon, everyone. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. This is Alisha before you all and all the dignitaries here. I'm standing here to present before you the topic, the ink of uniformity on the page of unity. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Just the way U comes before V, you do come before we. And this U stands for unity, though not uniformity, but individuality. As the topic says, the ink of uniformity on the page of unity, let's take a page, let's take a canvas. And I ask you all to have the ink of uniformity, to draw a line of 5 cm blue in color, and we all keep doing the same. Though uniform, but we all know how this page is going to look like. Dull and uninspiring. Thus, unity does not represent uniformity. Unity represents the ability to complete each other's missing puzzled identity and not to chase or implicate them. Now let's take a canvas again. And this time, instead of giving you the ink of uniformity, I give you all the choice to take your color, to choose the angle which represents you the most. And what I see here in the page is beautiful angles, is a plethora of colors. And who knows, the end result might be another Mona Lisa or a starry, starry night. Unity gives us the reason to celebrate differences of ourselves, standing on the common grounds of justice, equality, and freedom. Unity is like amid the distinct wavelengths of non-uniform color, it's the curled unison of rainbow, scattering peace and harmony. When put into a negative light, unity with uniformity will shed representation as its opposite, will shed identity as its opposite, and will shed choice as its opposite. For we are not merely our names. We are a part of everything that we represent or choose to represent. I stand here for a lot of things. All our personalities are a subtle yet strong representation of when, where, why, and what we choose to represent. This unapologetic freedom to choose identity will color the page of unity in as many ways as ever the ink of uniformity can. And now, to put this in a verse, to present it in a most symbolic yet self-explanatory way, I have a verse. It goes as, it might be the two of us, the enough of us. As the third one comes, the number goes higher, and there is more need of us to be one. But we need to be one to be an ink. We need to be three to be a tricolor. We need to be one to roar. We need to be four to be an emblem. We need to be one to be a fist. But we need to be five to applause. We need to be one to be loud. But we need to be seven to be a symphony. We need to be one to be a nation. But we need to be 28 and 8 to be India. With this, I would like you all to celebrate non-uniformity in this house. We would like to celebrate the hijab out there. We would like to celebrate the sari out there. We would like to celebrate the skirt out there. We would like to celebrate the katar out there. We would like to celebrate the kurtas out there. We would like to celebrate the pagdi out there. We would like to celebrate the saffron out there. We would like to celebrate the one who spoke in Urdu. We would like to celebrate the one who chanted the shlokas. For this is uniformity, and I can say with all my confidence that this house is an epitome of unity. Thank you.